Hi everyone, I wanted to show you how to use the camera or the video function to take a video and then upload it to Google Drive so you can do stuff with it from Google Drive. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go down here and you're going to type in camera. You'll see the camera app pop up. You're going to open it up by double clicking it. Now once you have it there, hey, you can see yourself. You can move back, you can move forward. Best thing to do is make sure your camera and your eye level are at the same height and look right at the lens. Don't look at yourself, because if you look at yourself, you get this effect. If you look at the lens, it looks like you're looking at the viewer. So you talk, and then you hit the, well, actually, you need to hit the record button like that first, and then you talk, and then stop. Okay, so now you have a video and you can see it down here. We don't need this anymore, so we can actually just close that right out. Now I'm going to go over to Drive. Open up Google Drive. Once I'm in Google Drive, I'm going to go New. I'm going to go to File Upload. And then I'm going to find that thing. Now, it lives inside your Pictures folder. And in your Pictures folder, it's within your camera roll. Open it up. Now, it's going to have a funny name here. So what I like to do is right-click. And then I'm going to go to Rename. And I'm going to call it whatever it is. In this case, it's Example. Now, left click any place else and we're done. Now we're going to select this, left clicking on it, and then open it. What you'll see happen is down here it's going to pop up. Now it's going to pop up into our drive, and if we don't see it immediately appear down here, we can just go to refresh. Now once we refresh our drive, we're going to find it right here. Now when we're ready to use it, all we have to do is make sure that the people who are ready to see it can see it. So I'm going to open this thing up. Let's try it a different way. I'm going to right click on it. Sorry, my pad wasn't working there. I'm going to right click on it and then I go to share. Now, sharing settings should open. These are working a little slowly there. I think that was the problem. And down here is where we can change our sharing settings. So if we only want to allow people in Poudre School District to see it, we leave it like that. But if we want to change it, we click on it, and then we can go over here. We can drop down here, and we can make people viewers, commenters, and editors, or we can open up to the wider world. Now, if this is meant to be seen by somebody outside of Poudre School District, not just the teacher, I really suggest you do the anyone with a link. At that point, you're done. Now anyone can see it. Copy the link, and now you can do whatever you need to with this document. That is how you save from the camera app.